everyone. Hope everyone is fine. Welcome to the Generally Bro YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic. It is very important for those who are new to YouTube. Starting this video, you will learn how to make money on YouTube and a lot of relevant information through my YouTube channel. This is first step. I think that video will be very valuable to you. Today I am going to teach you what is YouTube. I actually started this channel to share with you a lot of what I got. So if we want to get ahead in this section, we need to know what is this. Alright, let's get started. YouTube is also a social media. It's like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and etc. But the specialty of this is that YouTube is a great place to help content creators. Most reality shows you have seen, there are most talented person, but they have no chance to win the world. No worries, YouTube for them. They can show their skills to the world through this medium. There are many people in the world who have won their life through YouTube. That's why I said this is very useful for content creators. Real talents comes out of this medium. Since this company is affiliated with Google, you must have a Google account when you create a YouTube channel. Of course, I know you guys are waiting for make money. It's a big process, my dear friends. But you can simplify it with the videos I will do next. So you can subscribe my channel and gather with me, and also don't forget to touch bell icon. In fact, if you thinking earning money doing YouTube channel, you have to stop it. You have to change your mind. You do this as a hobby. Then you can make a lot of money without even knowing it. Actually, you can get money from this through the AdSense platform. Don't think too much about this. Just keep it in mind. We will talk later deeply. Imagine there is a company wants to advertise their products or their names in someone's YouTube channel. Then they have to pay to YouTube company for post their advertisement on their YouTube channel. Part of this money, YouTube company pay for owners of YouTube channel. But the ads are published only if you like to publish those advertising on your YouTube channel. But there is a lot to do before all this. You need to activate AdSense on your account. You need 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours views. You know about 1000 subscribers. So what is this 4000 hours? Okay, I'll explain. Imagine you uploaded a 30 minutes video to your account. So one viewer view it 130 minutes. It means you already completed 30 minutes. Likewise, you should have to complete 4000 hours. You can activate AdSense only if you do what I said before. Because of few things, you can more money from YouTube. Country you are targeting from your products and the ads you receive are the main two things for make more money. This is not about the country you give your AdSense to. AdSense is not supporting in some countries, but they are in more countries. Then someone try to put other country name for AdSense account. So please don't do it. Then you will not be able to get your money, because the pin code you get is based on the address you put in there. After the completing $100 in your AdSense account, you can get your money through a bank transfer or check. What would like to tell you at the end is not to put others' content on your YouTube channel. There are some copyright rules. If you got 3 times copyright claims in your week, 1 week, your account may be removed from YouTube. Then you will not have to make any money. And you should always obey YouTube policies. If so, you can quickly activate your AdSense account and make money quickly. That's all for my introduction. So I hope you guys understand the basic things I just gave you today regarding YouTube. I have started from the beginning to make it easier for everyone. So many thanks to you guys for watching this video. I hope to talk about how to set up a channel, what's the copyright policies, how to create videos, how to upload a video and video editing, make cartoons and more. That's why I kindly request you again to subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon and you will be able to get the notification of my videos. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.